Prevention is better than the cure. Prevention is better than the, because you're going to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. You didn't do nothing. You didn't do nothing. He was the good one out of the group. He was the quiet one out of the group. He was the nice one. He used to come mosque. He used to do this. But just because he was with those people that may be smoking, that may have a knife, that may have whatever the case may be, just because he was with them, he was the one who fell victim to whatever they were upon.
The decisions you make now can affect you for a very, very long time. You could be 15 years old and make a decision that could send you to jail for maybe 20 years. 10 years later, you're 25, you're a whole different person. You don't agree with the things that you used to do, but you still cannot move. You still cannot pick yourself up and take yourself out of that jail. You can't go to the officer and say, listen, I'm sorry, man, I learnt my lesson. You still got 10 more years left. You cannot move.
They want you just to be people who just hang out on the streets. They want you to be people who don't achieve anything, because they know a Muslim who is educated, a Muslim who has ambition and who has motivation to succeed is dangerous. Not because we're violent, but because we can achieve some success. How are we supposed to change all this violence? How are we supposed to change all the killing? And you know what? The real answer is by turning back to Allah. So I need you all, inshallah, to think bigger. Think about being leaders of the Ummah. Stay away from all that rubbish, but think big about what you can achieve, inshallah.
You see them holding this and you all of a sudden think, whoa, I'm holding this now, I'm on their level. But what you really don't know is you're not on their level because you weren't brought up like that. You're brought up in a nice house, you're fed well, you're sent to school. Who's been taught how to read the Quran?
So we have to be very mindful of the decisions that we are making at this age. I've got so many friends that are in prison now, long sentences. And I don't say this to glamorize, this is not cool. Long sentences. And I speak to them now, and they say, Muhammad, I'm not even that guy no more. I'm not that person anymore, but I still got 10 years left. Don't follow anymore. No more following. It's leaders now. Everyone in this room has the potential to be a leader. No following. You don't just follow the crowd. You don't listen to it because they listen to it. You don't smoke because they smoke. You don't dress that way because they dress that way. Alhamdulillah, you are a Muslim. You're in the masjid.